Hi guys, hello everyone! I'm so happy to see all of you. What I'm planning to do today is to paint in traditional medium and in Procreate. So any tool you like, maybe you would like to paint just in Procreate or you would like to paint with traditional medium. So this class is for you. Our today's topic will be painting leaves in different ways, and like about the ways I was talking about traditional and digital way. So what I'm talking about is that what you need for our today's class is iPad, Apple Pencil, or watercolor paper, some paints, any paints. You don't need to have fancy brand, just paints that you might have from the school times. Some brushes, a palette, and lots of inspiration. I also gonna share with you the brushes that I prepared for the watercolor painting process in Procreate, same with the sketch, same with the reference picture, same with the paper. And what you're gonna do during our today's class? First of all, I'm gonna show you some very simple exercises, how to use color, how to blend colors, some lovely and very fast exercises that will help you to jump into painting process with traditional medium easily. And the second part of my class, we're actually gonna paint with traditional medium some lovely leaves, and the third part, of our class will be painting in Procreate. So let's grab all our tools that we prepared for our today's class, have some good mood, maybe you can turn on some music, listen to my instructions, and we can start painting together. Let's do it. I will show you step-by-step process creating lovely leaf illustrations in watercolor style and the process of adding colors, shades and highlights. And we will paint different leaves in two ways, with traditional medium and in Procreate. And in the end of my class you will decide which style you like most. And as a bonus, for the part where we paint in Procreate, I will share with you textured paper, brush set, color palettes that I used. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use them for your own art projects. This class is great for beginner level and intermediate level, for anyone who is interested in painting lovely leaves and for those who likes watercolor. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn how to paint in watercolor style and hope also to have fun.